Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to delete TurboLearn AI account. If you want to delete your TurboLearn or a Turbo AI account, here's what you need to know. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct delete account option on the website or dashboard, only a logout button. So the only way to permanently remove your account is by contacting their customer support. First, go to Turbo AI website and log into your dashboard. From there, copy their support email address, which you'll find under the Help or Contact section. Open your email, write a request for account deletion, include your full name, the email link to your Turbo AI account, and your user ID for verification so they can confirm your identity. Once you send your message, their team should review your request and process the deletion if possible. Since Turbo AI doesn't currently list a built-in removal feature, reaching out directly through support is your best option for getting your account permanently deleted. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.